Hi, this is David at Stoneyard.com. I'm here today in Rhode Island showing you some Greenwich Gray Ledgestone. Lots of corners were being used. All the landscaping is all done. It is absolutely stunning. Look at how beautiful that is. Similar detail here with the windows and all the corner pieces. Very open and airy. Take a look too. They've got the bluestone for the sill piece, and they flashed the top of it, so we're not going to get any kind of water problems. And then this final side, where you're seeing, you know, that same windows and stuff, and it's absolutely beautiful. Greenwich Gray Ledgestone put together in a dry fit application. Some beautiful colors from lighter to darker grays. This kind of appears more dark, but then with the stucco around it, it just looks stunning. I hope you pick this stone. Again, this is David at Stoneyard.com.